Them talk say first to do no dey pay, and Liverpool clearly show am today as Shobos like send one missile wey nearly make Guardiola heart come. Liverpool boys wey been dey play like bunch of dandokos for the league this season come dey show as if they don arrive, but they no know say Alan don go take that thing wey dey make am scatter net anyhow. Slot when he head smooth like egg of fly, first confused after Sobos like score that thunder, as no be wetin him train that boy to do, na him that boy do, himself shock. Pep Guardiola wey be professor of football nearly top of my two students as static nearly failed from him head today. The game change gear when Erling Haaland fly like Batman, headbutt to short silver wey peli Liverpool fans eye. Arsenal fans wey been on dey say they go even manage 1-1 nearly enter depression as Haaland say battle continues with a better penalty wey nearly scatter some Arsenal fans face. Szoboszlai wey send thunder to Manchester City na him later be the villain of the game. From hero to villain is an unforgettable experience for the Liverpool player wey be say na him don be their best player this season. Continue. Wetin be your take about this my analysis for this game? Drop am in the comment section, and abeg make una no forget to like, share and comment on this video. Now na dey help us to go viral. Thank you very much. I celebrate you guys.